Hello, and welcome to Verbora English. I'm so glad you're here today.
Hi everyone, we're really excited to see you. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. We make easy English lessons for you every week. Please subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us.
Today we have a very special lesson. We're going to learn about the word do.
Yes, this is one of the most important words in English. You will hear it everywhere.
Are you ready to learn? Let's do this.
So, Mike, what did you do this weekend?
I did a lot of things. I did some cleaning, I did the laundry, and I did a little cooking too.
Wow, you did so much. Did you have fun?
Well, cleaning isn't fun, but cooking is. What did you do, Sarah?
I did some exercise in the morning. Then I did the grocery shopping.
Do you always do exercise on weekends?
Yes, I do. I try to do it every Saturday.
That's great. You see, everyone? We just use do many times. Did you notice?
Let's learn how to use this amazing word correctly. Okay, Mike, let's teach our friends about do. First, what is do?
Do is a verb. It means to perform an action or complete something.
Exactly. For example, I do my homework, I do the dishes, I do exercise.
But do has another important job. It helps us make questions in negative sentences.
Right. This is called an auxiliary verb or helping verb. Let's start with the present tense.
In the present, we have two forms, do and does.
We use do with I, you, we, and they.
And we use does with he, she, and it.
Let me give examples. I do, you do, we do, they do.
He does, she does, it does.
Perfect. Now let's make questions. Mike, how do I ask about your job?
You ask, what do you do?
Great. And I answer, I am a teacher. For questions with I, you, we, they, we start with do.
Do you like music? Do they live nearby? Do we have time?
Now, for he, she, and it, we use does to start questions.
Does he play guitar? Does she work here? Does it rain a lot?
Excellent. Now, how do we give short answers?
We use do or does again. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't.
Don't is short for do not, and doesn't is short for does not.
So for negative sentences, I don't like, you don't like, we don't like, they don't like.
And he doesn't like, she doesn't like, it doesn't like.
Let's practice. Sarah, ask me if I drink coffee.
Do you drink coffee, Mike?
Yes, I do. I drink coffee every morning. Now ask about my sister.
Does your sister drink coffee?
No, she doesn't. She only drinks tea.
Perfect. Now let's talk about the past tense. This is easier.
Yes, in the past we only use one word, did, for everyone.
I did, you did, he did, she did, it did, we did, they did.
So for past questions, we always start with did.
Did you eat lunch? Did she call you? Did they finish?
And for short answers, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, they did. No, they didn't.
Didn't means did not. Simple.
For past negatives, I didn't go. You didn't go. She didn't go. We didn't go.
Let's practice the past. Ask me about yesterday.
Did you go to work yesterday, Sarah?
No, I didn't. It was Sunday. Did you watch TV last night?
Yes, I did. I watched a movie.
Great. Now let's talk about the future. For the future, we use will do.
I will do. You will do. He will do. We will do. Everyone uses will do.
I will do my homework tomorrow. She will do the presentation next Monday.
For future questions, we start with will.
Will you help me? Will they come to the party?
And the short answer, yes, I will. No, I won't. Won't means will not.
For negatives, I won't do it. He won't be here.
There's one more thing. We use do for emphasis to make something stronger.
Yes, like when someone doesn't believe you, you say, I do like your cooking.
Or I did finish my work. You say do or did with more stress.
This makes your sentence more powerful.
I do want to learn English. See? It shows strong feeling.
Perfect explanation, Mike.
Now let's have a normal conversation and use do naturally.
Great idea. So, Mike, what did you do this morning before work?
This morning, I did my usual routine. I did some stretching first.
Oh, you did? That's healthy. What else did you do?
Then I did a quick shower and made breakfast. Did you do exercise today?
No, I didn't. I was too tired. I just did some coffee and left.
That's okay. We can't do everything every day. What do you usually do for breakfast?
I usually do something simple, eggs and toast. Do you cook a big breakfast?
No, I don't. I don't have time. I just do cereal or fruit.
I understand. So, what do you do at your job? Tell me about a normal day.
Well, I do many different things. I do emails in the morning, I do meetings after lunch, I do reports in the afternoon.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do. Most of the time, but I don't like the long meetings. They're boring.
I know what you mean. What does your boss do?
She does the management, she does the planning and scheduling. She does it very well.
That's good. Did you do anything fun last weekend?
Yes, I did. I did a small trip to the beach with my family.
Oh, that sounds lovely. What did you do there?
We did swimming, we did a barbecue, the kids did sand castles.
How nice. I didn't do anything special. I just did housework.
What housework did you do?
I did the laundry, I did the ironing, I did the bathroom cleaning.
You did a lot. I hate doing the ironing.
Me too. I really do hate it. But someone has to do it.
True. So what will we do this weekend? Any plans?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
We could do a movie night, or we could do dinner at that new restaurant.
Both sound good. Let's do the restaurant. I don't feel like cooking.
Deal. I will do the reservation.
Perfect. You see, everyone, we use do so many times in a natural conversation.
It's everywhere. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Now let's learn some very common phrases with do.
These are phrases you will hear every day.
First, what do you do? This means, what is your job?
I ask, what do you do, Sarah?
I answer, I'm an English teacher.
Next, how do you do? This is a formal greeting when you meet someone new.
You can answer, how do you do, back, or I'm doing well, thank you.
Another one, do me a favor. This means please help me.
Can you do me a favor and close the window?
Of course. Here's a nice one. Do your best.
This means try as hard as you can. We say it to encourage people.
Good luck on your test. Do your best.
Another phrase, well done. We say this when someone does something good.
You finished your homework. Well done.
Now, that will do. This means that's enough or that's good.
You're pouring my tea and I say, stop, that will do.
Perfect. Next, I don't know. Very simple but very common.
Where's the bank? I don't know. Sorry.
I don't think so. This is a soft way to say probably not.
Is it going to rain? I don't think so. The sky is clear.
Do you mind? This means, is it a problem for you?
Do you mind if I sit here?
No, not at all. Please sit.
What about housework phrases?
Good idea. We use do for many chores. Do the dishes, do the laundry, do the cleaning, do the ironing, do the cooking.
I need to do the dishes after dinner.
She always does the cooking in our family.
Here's one for school. Do your homework.
Did you do your homework? Yes, I did.
And for health, do exercise or do some exercise.
I try to do exercise 3 times a week.
A nice phrase. You can do it. This shows you believe in someone.
This test is hard, but you can do it. I believe in you.
What about make do?
Make do means to manage with what you have, even if it's not perfect.
We don't have butter, so we'll have to make do with oil.
And do without means to live without something.
There's no sugar, so I'll have to do without.
Great phrases, Mike.
Now it's your turn to practice speaking. Repeat after us.
Ready? Here we go. First sentence, I do my homework every day.
Your turn. Say it out loud.
Next, she does the cooking.
Go ahead. Repeat it.
Now a question. Do you like pizza?
Say it. Ask the question.
Another question. Does he work here?
Repeat after Sarah.
Past tense. I did my laundry yesterday.
Your turn.
Past question. Did you go to the party?
Say it out loud.
Negative. I don't understand.
Repeat it.
Another negative. He doesn't like fish.
Say it.
Past negative. We didn't see the movie. Your turn to repeat. Now some phrases. Do me a favor. Say it. Do your best. Repeat. Well done. Say it with feeling. What do you do? Ask the question. How do you do? A formal greeting. Repeat. Excellent job, everyone.
You did great. Practicing out loud is so important.
Wow, Mike, we learned so much today.
We really did. Let's review what we covered.
First, we learned that do is a verb for actions. I do exercise. I do my work.
We also learned do is a helping verb for questions and negatives.
In the present, I do, you do, we do, they do. But he does, she does, it does.
For questions, do you like tea? Does she live here?
For negatives, I don't eat meat. He doesn't work on Sundays.
In the past, it's simple. Just use did for everyone. Did you call? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. For the future, we use will do.
I will do it tomorrow. Will you help? Yes, I will. No, I won't.
We also learned do for emphasis.
I do like it. I did finish it. It makes your words stronger.
And we learned so many phrases.
What do you do? Do me a favor. Do your best. Well done.
And chores. Do the dishes, do the laundry, do the cleaning.
You learned a lot today. You should be proud.
Now we have a question for you.
Today's question is, what do you do every morning?
Do you do exercise? Do you do breakfast? Do you do reading?
Please write your answer in the comments. We read every comment.
We really do. We love hearing from you.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson.
We hope you learned a lot about the word do.
Remember, practice a little every day. That's how you improve.
You can do it. We believe in you.
Please like this video and subscribe to Verbora English for more lessons.
We do this for you. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep learning.